Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how you can easily download the Turbo Shopify theme. It is a premium Shopify theme, but you can download easily from my store. And Turbo is a premium Shopify theme. It has a lot of features, and the price of Turbo theme I will show you now. You can see the price of Turbo theme is $400. It is a premium theme, but I will give you free to you guys. Let's see the store genres with Turbo theme. Okay, let's move to this. It's a very renowned stores in UK. We can say it is made with Turbo theme. It's looking so beautiful. Actually, it's a premium Shopify theme, and it offers a lot of features. Okay, let's get back to the point. I will give you the free Turbo Shopify theme link to you guys in the description, and otherwise you can click on the description and open this page. This is the Turbo Shopify theme free download page, and just scroll, and here is the button download now. Click on that. After the clicking on the download now button, you will have this kind of file, and then click download. You can see there are some folder SS config layout local section snippets and templates. Actually, it has the absolute features of the main Turbo Shopify theme, so don't worry about that. You can easily use it on your store, any Shopify store. It's a premium theme I'm giving you free. Okay, let's download it. Please hold some second. Okay, I'm downloading Turbo Shopify theme. Now it's downloaded, I think. Okay, let's cancel it. Okay, now I will move to my Shopify store. It's my Shopify store. Now I will upload this theme and give you an example how you can customize this theme easily. Okay, this is my Shopify store. Okay, go to the theme section. Okay, now we got our Shopify theme layout section. Here we can see the default Shopify theme Brooklyn is installed, and we can know the Brooklyn is a free Shopify theme, and there is not a lot of customization we can do on the Brooklyn. But let's see what this theme look like with the Brooklyn theme. This story is looking so general in the Brooklyn theme. It's not so perfect here. You can see it has nothing to do. If we move to the product section, it's not also so good. It's just not so good. All the products are looking so bad here. So if you want to start a Shopify store, so I will highly recommend you to go with the Turbo Shopify theme with my link. Okay, if you want to install a new theme, then you have to go to the add theme and then upload zip file and upload add file. As I have downloaded the Turbo Shopify theme on the download section, here you can use the Turbo Shopify theme and click open. It will automatically download on your store, but as I have already downloaded it, I don't need it now. Okay, this is my Turbo Shopify theme. I have downloaded it. Let's customize it. Here you can see this Turbo Shopify theme. It's looking so great. The collection page perfectly, the product page, the product slider, featured collection, and the slideshow here. It's a button. Okay, and there are some product promotion here. You can add your product or collection here. and you can do everything here. I'm just giving you some example. If you click on the add section, here you can see what you can add to this theme: the collection list, blog post, featured collection, featured promotion, gallery, image with text. Okay, now I want to add, say, now I want to add, like, you can say rich text. No, it's not. Actually everything is included here. I will give you some example. You have to just drag and drop with it. Okay, the first section, image with overlay, I have used this image, and you can use your own. Display with solid text, and it's looking so nice now. You can change the text of it, anything you want here. And it's looking so nice and so clean here. And let's move to quick view, and you can say it's a so professional quick view page. And if you change the color of the then it changes the glasses color also. It's so professional. And if we move to the product page or the collection page, a lot of customization you can do in this theme. It's a premium theme. In the product page also, in the collection page also, you can add some block here. You can add menu, collection list page. You can do everything you want. Type and bundle list. Let's say I want this sunglass, no, this. It's a product page. So every product of your in your store will be look like this page. Okay, just amazing looking, add to cart and buy it now button. You can change the quantity, you can change the color, no problem with that. And there are a lot of buttons. You can also add any block here. Okay, add block, I can do everything here: tag list, collection list, menu. And there are good looking menu also available. So you can do everything here. You have to drag and drop here, not to worry about any design. And there are theme setting section. You can change colors here, logo color, footer text, and every color here. You can change the typography, font. Then there is mega menu section. You can add mega menus here. There's a drop down menu will be there. I'm not adding here. And there are a lot of section you want to have in your stores. So it's the best theme I think you want to go for. Then I will give the link in my description, so you will download it and you can use it in any Shopify store. Thank you.